This is Land Cruiser VH engine 1VD. I just finished boxing the engine and I'm working on just the timing and everything. You know, in video. I am that video on the So I want all my viewers to see me. Yeah, I am. I am the mechanic. Land Cruiser video. I just finished doing overhaul. See, everything is okay. Okay. So, if you want your Land Cruiser VH engine to do, I'm here. I'll do overhauling for you. And I'm finished doing the overhauling. I set the timing and left for me to fix the cover. Here is it. The number one Land Cruiser mechanic. Thank you. Where the cover? Good.